Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your personal ID in the Santander app. So let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, of course, is make sure that the Santander app is downloaded on our mobile device, and you're going to open up the app. Now you're going to tap the menu button, which is the three horizontal lines or dots that's typically located on the top of the screen. Then you need to select Help Center from the menu options to access the support resources. You are going to now chat with Sandy. So choose to chat with Sandy for instant help, and then type forgot personal ID in the chat to receive direct assistance with your account details. Now, if this is not effective, there is an alternative method. So tap the three dots at the bottom right corner, go to My Details and Settings, select Statements and Documents. Your personal ID should appear on your statement. I hope this was helpful.